Remind, achio, peche, the don't tell do one, maybe I want to crank one and make. Sedina Tamakloe'S ye room. Who say, one say, I'm on Fontia say, I didn't know MPP for jelly na NDC for Boma Benya Abino. I'm a MPP for crack cassa. Say, and I said, you need chama to me. Now, nice to make a king kind. A quite near the bone in the year, so as a fatal. Because already we are NDC MPP for near and I say, a bandit man influence our judges so. Because we are judge beyond the judgment about to pay. No more cassette, why have any marking, no cassette, and call my father, no mighty. It actually say no more time, no more to me influence judges. Intine, or more, yes, because I said 3 years trial. Intino more say judges need to me overrule see a Sedina Tamakloe'S, and say your judgment be a passive or more time be a fake. And intino more of them say, I say, and this for me to influence judges am ye because on ye Tamakloe'S influenced by the NDC government. What I say now making came one and music bibi nkoye na Eugene or say to someone I were born in church with the video natural now was what you on so ne ni na ya church having but tren common again red horse beer I don't red horse beer I obu o asema make we ma we nkomo ne yedi am we nkomo ne yedi am we it won abrante no down on no so abekire ne diem ma me a NDC ni ananse yayi na amanfo free US aba ya twa ne case ma amanfo ntiase no nkomo ne yebeto so ti nyamre ma me se nkomo ne den red horse beer unya bi no ma pebi no moate be bia wo bia o pub pebi o club be bia pebi unya wanya yi wanya wedding be bia pebi o pese o distributor ni na be ma obi because it's registered nti ni nkomo ate achi maka chiro ya continent we dia country you want to kwande abeka achi we na nsi omo pam South Africa fo nse nya Ghana fo nko no pam all African countries yenye ne ma yi no eno na ama sa jetinto se wan e ka kire ma ikeka ne ope kire ma ama so se yenye yikuru yi ntimi dem se akwantu ni se tie tu de bia me be kan Dubai mu si Dubai nye manya Germany ama mo me ba match ana djuma ko yi de brem mo de brem no don me mo ni pa 5 and mo ni at Germany within a month mo ye and then 2nd of August ne men kasa be twatum ama mo do be ko tena Germany ewo August ye mu se Germany Schengen de ko Germany to be ko other countries na de wo ngomo no achi makachi Dubai de loan na Shanghai na efu nti se wo so Germany na betimi Dubai de no so a wo se wo kudi holidays se wo ko ye dwo metwatum ti wo pe Dubai akọ wo pe Europe akọ na wo pe me Cambia ne bia number na ba ko pe Cambia what is the red horse number na then plus 9715520444316 plus 9715520444316 twamitum na yenye adwuma no men se mre de nkutie Eugene na Eugene be kasa no ti no
summary by Kwasa. And I think that it makes perfect sense based on what I usually say to a friend. That does not mean that, lawyers, you can give them 2 provisions. Because we are saying, now I'm spending 1.8 million cities. Now 10 regions, then 16 regions. I'm sorry, just about 3 regions. I think Vuta region. I can, oh my God. And also charge them to scan mess up operation. We say by we move there and can TV. Yes. And one bro for sophisticated operation. And the second one is a cantamanto fire victims of 579 million
charges at the bomb no
800,000 Ghana cedis. 800. They just talk market 2015 go from come woman yes we DC can. Again, Okoto cars because I never know. It was on for public procurement authority. Was a Okoto by idea and I saw the PP no mission. A cruji, Bibiano, again, that's just a new treat your man who mobile phone your quarters, a mobile phone near 50 cities or only 70 cities. I didn't in account of the year. The court on this is basically what the court said on all the matters. Let me just summarize for you. Court on the charge sheet near the man, and you're defective. Now, let me explain the charge sheet. The court was basically saying, say, a charge and the boss says, what kind of account if a construction is still what ingredients are you basing on to say that there was a construction to steal?
Sanity.
You can't conspiracy. Say, many am preaching. I can't hold you. Eugene, okay, me cry me who say CCTV, you do the bad 10. It's a button a shame. I say, we leave it to you. A conspiracy. I know I can't boom. It's a charge sheet on that, sir. Bonia said, I'm Tamakloe'S. What the money laundering to us? What is stealing it to us? What is causing financial loss to us? What do we feel causing financial loss to us? So I can't now go 78 charges. A Thomasuma. charge is severe defective. Again, I'm going to say about burden of proof. So we can send them to BB. Only authorization from public procurement authority. The onus lies on the prosecution and the one making the allegation to prove. Send on new authority, no. And she tell bad and then what said them was say. Yes, we want new authority to one of the authority and answer new authority. So the burden of proof, the appeals court at all material times was on the prosecution to prove that she didn't have the authorization. Now, yanko and you must serve in a bomber and yanko baby also. The court found serious evidential the original acknowledgement letter was not produced. The document tendered was a copy obtained from Obatamba. No corresponding master copy was produced. Evidence, even though the reference number on the letter suggested that Maslow should have retained a copy. Who's a copy? Let it be our day, your numbers. Obatamba will let any one call Maslow. Let any be. Okay. Now, the Maslow official who testified has not seen an official Maslow copy against which the document could be compared. The chairman of Obatamba also claimed that he had exchanged WhatsApp messages with Sedina concerning the refund. Those messages were not produced. Obatamba said, minutes can come in, said, now, Mamma, Mediabo, who's cannot carry us soon. For WhatsApp message, or what you have a message in the But let's not forget that at the appeals court, they will not sit over new evidence. They will not allow you to bring in new evidence. That's an extremely social case. Right. They were only assessing the facts as presented and ruled on at the lower court, which is the high court. That's right. It's a question I come one as a senior. The court said no only because they couldn't prove receipts. Because now Obusu demand this kind of from Obatamba, which means now on his can in the view of the appeals court that they 500,000 anyway. Said now. So I think that even though she's been acquitted and discharged, and the only right is going to there are still questions to be answered. There are still questions, and maybe some civil matters must be considered. Okay. That is maybe sure because there's no establishment of the whereabouts of the 500,000. And the 500,000 in place, it's and where you come back to who say one I say what the other side was now the issue about sensitization. Sounds much. I say the prosecution's case was that the program neither did not occur or occurred only on a very limited scale. The court held that the prosecution did not prove beyond reasonable doubt that Sedina stole the money. The prosecution did not call the relevant regional officers or beneficiaries who could give direct evidence about whether the program took place or not. Instead, the trial judge expected Sedina to prove that the funds had been properly used. The court held that this again wrongfully transferred the prosecution's burden to the accused. It's burden of proof now, as I said. In case the 10 regional chairman, Uncle from Chairman Directors of Master Office, operating water for Musica by program, and I never the film number one first microphone. Believe the man said in that Tamakloe'S. But you see, there's a phrase in here. Or say, the prosecution did not prove beyond reasonable doubt. In criminal trial, you must prove reasonable doubt. And as I said, in my 30 pages, that's it. So prove beyond reasonable doubt. Utumi chire bibia ye be prosecute obi ti search ama untumi de no. O ma chire bibia even kra omo no omo ya adwuma kra be di adanse. But here is the case omo bu case bi gu lady ne so a enhwehwemu kra anye se omo hwem ko akire nipa ise wa mamu sika ye mfrefre mu se mo nsa aka mu sika omo anye sa check up ni na omo bu akunu so because omo ban na abenti. Etina isi omo so omo de shega na fo tirim se as the way omo ye corrupt na omo tumi influence the judicial system no sa na ban we tie. Onkomo bi a omode ba enti all those say ehwe nsem a ma me ne niam na ya ngina so ye enu ntina attorney general say on tiase because where's our 500,000 na esi hu ba bi free sika bebri wo say omoja ma me ne de but eniema bi wa ma me no so di hu fa say the attorney general ka say ye be refund but ubitua opleje utua etumi jawo on san komo no but say on ye jeli no e fata sen ki jeli no but say eniema nkosa chama untumi de utia o se fata si jeli no we di on one party kura ni so jeli nti so de chama untumi de ne be for ma me enye ye ye wo atemu bo en bebuni e mu ni ye esi ehwehwem entina ayi so obesan ye bi ma tonu general so obesan hwe case ni benti say sika bi kodi ma me wona e say otua ba na watua ba judgment o de man say 10 years ni de entwa yi okay kan sam no mo kan na entwa yi won ntwa yi nti appeals court no was right e wo kwan bi so sana me hu no ma what you say the MPP for money careful internet na de say maka kire mo yo